Welcome to Heritage Lake in West Mobile, Alabama. This home is a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's almost 2,000 square feet. And this comes standard with quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. This home is in the Baker High School district and in Taylor White Elementary and Causey Middle. This is a gold fortified home, so that saves you even more money on your homeowner's insurance premium. The builder is paying up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs and are offering interest rates as low as 4.99 for a limited time. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today for a free home analysis so I can show you how I leverage social media, virtual tours, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.